Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to show you why I love this LEVOIT Core 200 Air Purifier. So reason number one, it does have a nightlight, and we can use this nightlight with it on or off. That's a pretty nice feature. Now the nightlight's not that bright in real life, but here let's turn the air purifier off, but I can still turn the light on. So even with the purifier not purifying air, I can still have a nightlight. And then hit the center button, and it can connect to the VSync app. Now the reason that's nice that it can connect to the VSync app is I could put that nightlight on a schedule. I can put the LEVOIT air purifier on a schedule. It's got a sleep mode. So say 9 o'clock at night, I could always have the air purifier go into a sleep mode, which is really low, but still purifying the air, and it turns the lights off. Or I could have it do like a low speed, medium speed during the day, and a high speed. This does not have any kind of automatic feature. It's going to stay whatever speed you tell it to. It does have a timer function. I can go 2, 4, 8 off. I can turn the display lights off. I can lock it. It's going to draw the air in here, and the air comes out the top. It's got a really long 6-foot cord. This is just a really nice, I like that it's got a HEPA filter for purifying the air. And changing the filter is super easy. Here we've got the HEPA filter. It does have a pre-filter. There's a screen here. You're gonna have to clean that off about every 2 weeks, but then you gotta change the HEPA filter about every 6 months. This LEVOIT air filter would be great in a bedroom with the nightlight, or in a hallway, or in a living room or something. It's not gonna do the entire house, but it will do a bedroom by your computer, or maybe even a couple rooms that are combined. Hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.